today's class. My name is Dokata Ugoshi Pamela, and on today's topic, I'm going to take you on parts of the body in Igbo language, such as English has its own parts of the body, the names they call their parts of the body. Also, the Igbo language has the name they call their own parts of the body, such as bone, okpoko, hair, ntutu isi, head, isi, eyebrow, enu anya, eye, eyes, eyelashes, uku anya, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, teeth, eze, tongue, ire, ear, ntị, shoulder, ubu aka, hand, aka, finger, mkpịsị aka, fingernail, mbọ mkpịsị aka, waist, ukwu, stomach, afọ, hair. So in all this, they have their own ways of identifying the parts of the body in Igbo language, and they also have their own ways of using them in making sentence. Parts of the body in Igbo language is called akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Then we will still go on to identify them because there are so many. We have arm, alaka. We have muscle. We have afrono for male. We have afrono. We have nail, ikperoko. We have foot, ubu oko. We have toe, mkpụrụ ụkwụ. We have body, ahụ, ahụ, ahụ. In Igbo language, you can use ahụ it as a sentence. Ahụ niile, that's my body, all my body. You can use it as a sentence. Then we have back, azụ, azụ. We have instance, eriri afọ. Instance, eriri afọ. We have eyelashes. I've talked about it. Is nku anya. We have palm, obuaka. We have tight, mpata oko. We have bottoms, ike. We have bones, okpukpo. So in Igbo language as a whole, we have so many names they use to identify. Okay, it's going. We have so many names they use to identify